Hi, this is Patrick from Laval, Quebec, and I'm reviewing the Sharp Navigator Pet Pro Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Now, I give this product a strong, solid 5 stars. I'd recommend it to anyone who has pets at home. This thing will just suck everything up and leave everything super clean. I like the fact that it's quite portable. It's got the removable handle, which you can just take out. You see, and you can attach any one of the 3 adapters. I also love the fact that the cord has a clip here, so you can get it out of the way when you're vacuuming. It's very easy to remove the canister for cleaning. And let me tell you, just after doing just a small part of this rug, I've got all of this gunk that accumulated in here. Wow. I could never imagine that a little upright vacuum like this could clean so easily. So yes, definitely very recommended. It's got the self-cleaning brush as well, and the HEPA filter, which you can just remove from here and clean. Very easy to clean, very easy to use. Hands down a 5-star product. Anyone who's got pets, highly recommend it.